Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure and an honor for me to deliver this presentation. My name is Jason Chandra, a student from Entrepreneurship Department, Bina Nusantara University Malang. Today, I would like to present the finding of my research entitled Shifting Business Strategy in the Digital Era, the Influence of Artificial Intelligence. The first part is introduction. Digitalization has become an important aspect for businesses to be able to survive in a dynamic market. Implementing AI in business strategy enable companies to make decisions quickly based on data processing. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a key driver in the transformation of business strategy from conventional to adaptive and sustainable strategy. There are still not many studies discussing AI and business strategy trend findings between pre and post-pandemic periods. So, many businesses are still confused about adopting it. Therefore, there is a need for more in-depth research related to this focus based on previous study. The study will answer several questions such as what changes have occurred, how keywords have changed, and what can be learned from this topic. Next is literature review that show literature about artificial intelligence and business strategy. Next, for the method, the study used bibliometric analysis on several research on the topics of artificial intelligence and business strategy from Scopus database. Data extraction is limited to the subject area of business, management, and accounting, and for the period before COVID-19 is limited between 2010 to 2019 and gets 230 data. And after COVID-19 is limited between 2020 to 2025 and gets 1,285 data. The study used the R-Bibliosyne analysis tool to conduct bibliometric analysis. Move on to the result and discussion part. First, in summary statistic, show the rapid increase in research on artificial intelligence and business strategy. And next, answering the RQ1, the result of bibliometric analysis of most relevant source shows that the comparison of pre- and post-pandemic data show a shift in research focus from initial exploration of AI and business strategy to studies with a sustained long-term focus with research scope becoming broader. Next, answering RQ1, the results show that the most global cited show that there has been a shift in the use of AI that's still in the early stage of exploring AI in the comprehensive integration of AI into business processes to increase effectiveness. Next, answering RQ1, the results show that there was a significant shift in publication trend that before the pandemic, AI was still in early exploration stage for adoption in business strategy. And after the pandemic, trends indicated the adoption of digitalization by many companies as well as increased academic interest in this topic. Next, to answer RQ2, the result of the pre-pandemic co-citation analysis showed that research in this topic was still conceptual and theoretical, and post-pandemic, the co-citation network is reflecting interdisciplinary nature of the research, with broader scientific evolution, with the exploration of new concept and practical implication. Next, moving on to the future research agenda, the results of co-occurrence and thematic analysis are used as a reference for the future research agenda. Based on this finding, future research recommendation can focus on strategy implementation and strategy evaluation to demonstrate the success of data-driven business strategy through AI integration. And finally, we come to the conclusion. The results show that the pandemic significantly shifted research direction as evidenced by a surge in post-pandemic publication in 2024, which focused on AI implementation in business strategy and economic development. The study also showed that AI is a key factor in corporate strategies to develop adaptive and reactive business strategy to business dynamic and global conditions that ensure company sustainability. And the recommendation for future research agenda on this research topic are suggest to focus on green transformation with the application of AI for operational efficiency and strategic decision-making process to develop adaptive, competitive, and sustainable business model. However, the study also has limitation in data coverage as it only used the Scopus database as a research source. Future research may consider using the other database such as Google Scholar or Web of Science. And furthermore, the study employed quantitative method with bibliometric analysis and enabling future research to employ mixed method or qualitative approach to deepen research on AI and business strategy. That concludes my presentation. I sincerely thank you for your attention and thank you once again for the opportunity.